Hello all. So this is a continuation of the previous Python video series for basic Python to just work with for beginners. So in this video series, you will be seeing like how to work with the Python default modules and how to create an user defined module in Python. So first, we are making use of an module which is math, and here you may notice. So within this math, there is a specific function like square root sqrt. So here we are going to find the square root of which is the square root of 25. So here we are giving 25. So output will be 5 since 5 into 5 is only 25. So then we are printing the result. So this is we are using math module, and we are not using the specific square root module in it. But in the next case, we can import this math or square root by two ways. Here if you notice, means previously we have made import math, but now it will be like from math we are importing square root, and then we are again everything is same, but this math will not come. It will be like square root. We have given some different number, so since it is 60, the output will be 4. So this is how we are using the modules which is defaultly present in Python. But in the next case, that is creating your mole modules, here we have created a new module. So the new module which we have created is my module, and within that I'm just made to print the greetings of the user. So it will be like hello John. I will just make it a module. So this is the my module which I have created. So if it is notice, means it is having a definition. So the definition which it is having like it is a greet user, that thing only here we have called greet user, and name only we have given. So name, whatever name you are giving, you can just give, and then we are printing it in the user defined module. So how to make this user defined module is, you can just give us Windows R, and in that if you have to open a notepad, and you have to give OK. So here you can give this definition, and after that how you have to save means, click the file and then you have to give a save as. In the save as, you have to give your name, and you have also have to specify here. For example, if it is untitled, means you have to give dot app. Here we have, since I have saved, I am not saving it once again, so you have to give dot py. Then in the save as type, you have to give all files, and then you have to give save. Since now I have saved, I'm just giving cancel. So this is the thing how you have to create this .py user defined module. So in the next video, we will be working with some other basic Python videos. Thank you.